Installing the RAM or random access memory. Now let's insert the random access memory. There are two slots next to the fan in this motherboard. The RAM goes into this slot. Usually, the word DIMM is mentioned near the slot. Note that there may be more than two slots in some motherboards. There are two hinges in the opposite corners of the slot, which should be opened gently. Next, take the RAM, on which you will notice a small notch towards the bottom center. Ensure this notch matches the mark on the slot when you slide the card in. Make sure that both sides of the RAM are inserted in the holder properly. Use your thumb to gently push down along the corner of the RAM to seal the hinges without actually touching the hinges until you hear a locking sound or can see that the hinges have tightly locked the RAM. Once complete, it should look like this.